This is Dave Courtney with the Mortgage Rescue Solutions Division of IAD Real Estate. For over 20 years, my team has helped thousands of Florida homeowners navigate real estate challenges. Through my network of agents in all 50 states, I can connect you with a licensed professional anywhere in the country. In this video series, I'm guiding homeowners through their options to make informed decisions every step of the way. So let's go through some of the steps in the short sale process. Most importantly is to connect with an experienced real estate agent. We need someone that knows the ins and outs of short sales. That's where I come in. This step is crucial, guys. There are a lot of agents out there that have sold a lot of houses, but very few are experienced in all of the nuances involved in negotiating with a lender for a short sale. Be sure that you find a team that is extremely experienced in this area, or everything could backfire. Gathering financial documentation. We're going to help you with that step. We're going to gather things like your bank statements, pay stubs. We're going to help you with a hardship letter to show the lender why a short sale is necessary. Listing and marketing the property, that's where I come in again. I'm going to help you market the property to attract the right buyer and work with the lender to ensure the sale is approved. I'm going to also negotiate the approval. Once we do get an offer, I'll negotiate with your lender on your behalf to get everything approved. Closing. Finally, we close the sale just like a traditional real estate transaction. No out-of-pocket cost to you, and you can move forward with peace of mind. Ideally, I'd like to get you money to be able to move, and that would come from your lender as well. You ready to explore your options? Give me a call, and I'll answer all your questions. No pressure at all, just honest help.